我哋教會呢度上邊咧有一個咧係水壓掣啊！我哋開咗試下猛啲水嘅時候咧，就突然間喺邊度唔知爆咗咧，好似個水管咧就漏水。咁我哋揾到好耐先揾到咧，原來就喺個廚房嗰邊先至爆出嚟，啲水漏到成地都係。咁啊，成個崇拜咧我就喺度拖，驚佢漏得好多。咁收尾要撬開晒嗰啲板咧，先至可以將佢補翻。咁所以淨係嗰次之後咧，我哋都唔敢再開啲水壓。咁啊，我哋有架呢啲 portable 啲冷氣機喺度啦，咁咧就間仲勉強仲可以開到，但係嬰兒室嗰個開到，但係其他譬如嗰啲牧師房啊嗰啲咧，佢哋有啲 portable 冷氣機，我買幾部翻嚟啊，但係開唔到嘅，一開咧即刻跳掣，因為我哋啲電力咧係負荷唔到呢啲冷氣機嘅，就算 even 開一部啊，喺嗰邊嗰啲開一部咧。都牧師房都會跳掣，或者喺傳道人啲房啊，全部都會跳掣。所以喺熱天嘅時候咧，傳道人同埋牧師嗰啲咧，全部係冇冷氣，只係開窗啊、開嗰啲風扇嗰啲咁樣。重建之後嘅希望咧，就係多啲人翻教會。呢個係最緊要㗎啦！你冇人翻去教會幾靚都係假。建築物咧，即係如果有好啲嘅時候咧，可以啲人即係唔使咁逼咧，走去譬如查經啊，或者有啲聚會唔使分開啲房咧，就好逼。同埋啲細路仔咧，個活動空間會大啲嘅，啲細路仔會舒服啲，唔使加啲細路仔咧走去玩嘅時候咧會就住啊，又同埋有好多驚冚親啊、跌親啊咁樣。所以教會重建咧，即係都好緊要啊！因為你起碼有啲細路仔同埋我哋個團契啊，即係可以多啲團契翻嚟啦，唔使家人好多團契都要去人哋屋企嗰度。就算我自己團契都要去我哋有個姊妹嘅屋企裏邊啦，嗰度聚會，因為翻嚟教會聚會唔到。如果能夠可以喺教會裏邊多啲地方俾人聚會咧，呢個係最理想嘅。同埋啲傳道人咧都唔夠房嘅，有啲兩個人用一間房啊咁樣嗰啲都好辛苦。你試下走去熱天嘅時候去我哋最頂嗰啲房再用下，你知道嗰焗到咧，即係焗桑拿咁樣啊。
Hi, I'm Winnie Lai Fong, and I have been part of the VCBC family for the past 35 years. Right now, the CPL project is at a critical point. For the first time, all external roadblocks are removed, and the only one left is financial. My husband and I have pledged and supported this project as a family since 2023. To be honest, it's not always easy because we have 2 kids in university, and we also have some reduced income ahead. But I've chosen to trust the Lord to provide for my future.
喺出埃及記23章19節嗰度話，你要將田中最好嘅初熟之物歸到耶和華嘅殿中。其實咧，要獻上第一造嘅收成，仲要係當中最好嘅咧，其實係一個信心嘅功課。因為咧，我哋要將收入咧先留起，然後奉獻咗，其餘剩翻嘅落嚟，我哋先用喺自己嘅生活當中。我喺呢度咧鼓勵大家同我哋一齊去經歷呢個信心嘅旅程。咁我同我先生 Michael 咧已經參加咗呢個迎獻計劃同埋星星之火。我哋嘅教會即係屬靈一家咧要起屋喎，咁我哋一定係全力支持啦。
Hello VCBC, my name is Ray Woodard. 37 years ago, I walked into this auditorium for the first time. This has become a second home to me and your brothers in the Lord. Although I've never been a member, you've allowed me to participate and you've allowed me to be a part of your ministry. My wife and I have retired now. And as we look at our finances, we have been surprised by the blessing of God and what God has provided us that we never thought possible. And we want to be a part. We want to help in the raising of funds in order to build this building. I want to challenge the seniors in our church. I want to challenge the adults in our church. Look at what God has done for you and choose to participate. Thanks for the opportunity.